I've been stuck in motion, moving too fast. All I see are my way, so hold tight. I'm coming home tonight. Meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning.